Welcome to Free Flow Friday, powered by the Property Profits Real Estate Podcast. I'm Dave Dubeau, and I'm very excited to give you an over-the-shoulder learning experience around raising capital, as well as other tips, tricks, and strategies to help you on your real estate investing journey. So let's start. Let's discover together. And I don't know about you, but I'd rather stick a baseball bat in my eye than dial for dollars. Well, hey there, everyone. This is Dave Dubeau doing a quick little update for you. It's been a whirlwind couple of weeks, so I apologize for not getting back to you sooner and keeping you updated. Had a great trip to Edmonton where I attended a one-day workshop, part of it being about raising capital, because I'm always a student on that. That's my main thing, the whole money partner formula. So I'm always really interested in sharpening the saw, finding bigger, better ways to do things for myself, for raising capital for my deals, as well as for my clients. So overall, pretty good event. Some really good ideas, really got me thinking even more about how to present our opportunities to prospective investors, how to set expectations, how to really focus on being attractive but conservative with our projections. That was all really great. So learned some good stuff, met some great people. And although the speakers and I agreed on a lot of things, a few things that one of the big things we agreed on was, who should we be approaching as our prospective investors? And we definitely both agreed that, you want to stay out of trouble with the Trade Commission, the Securities Commission in Canada. You want to focus on people that you have that pre-existing relationship with. However, our methodology about how to go about doing that is quite a bit different. So these gentlemen both had backgrounds in sales, so that was their natural tendency. So again, I heard a bit of the same old that I've heard for a long time, which is, pick up the phone and start dialing for dollars, basically. They didn't use that term, but that's pretty much what the idea was. And I don't know about you, but I'd rather stick a baseball bat in my eye than dial for dollars. That is, I've tried it. I admire people that can cold call. I really do. But what I found over the years is most people, myself included, were not naturally cold callers. We're not naturally ready, willing, and able to be that guy or that gal that crams our foot in the door, so to speak, like the vacuum cleaner salesman of years gone by. We don't have that skill set. We haven't developed that skill set, and thank God, quite frankly, we don't need it. In fact, I think when we're doing stuff like that, like turning every conversation into a real estate conversation, which was another piece of advice I heard there, or dialing for dollars, cold calling people, I actually think that can work against us, because it just smacks of neediness. It smacks of being a little bit, desperate to raise the money. So again, my whole philosophy around this is let's just get smart about this. Let's apply marketing to what we're doing. And instead of chasing after people, let's attract them to us. Let's do things that get them to put up their hand and say, hey, you know what? I'm interested. Tell me more about your deal, because that conversation is just so much more pleasant. It's so different from typical things. It takes all the pressure off of them, takes all the pressure off of you, because you're not doing a sales presentation. The other thing I heard at that event was, closing techniques. Well, I don't like that idea either. I mean, I'm familiar with it. I've been in business for a long time. I've taken sales training, and that's all good stuff. But especially when it comes to working with investor partners, raising capital, my experience has been we don't want to manipulate anybody into investing with us. We don't want to pressure anybody into investing with us. We don't want to strong arm anybody into giving us their money. And the reason is because as soon as there's a hiccup in the deal, and trust me, quite often there are hiccups in deals. That's life, right? Nothing ever goes perfectly according to plan. But if you've pressured somebody into investing with you, you browbeat them or whatever, manipulated them, as soon as anything happens, they're going to be panicking. They're going to be wanting to get out of the deal, and that's going to cause you a whole world of pain. All right. So again, the whole idea, at least my philosophy is, let's kick it up. Let's take this thing to the next level. Let's start marketing to attract investors instead of chasing after them. So I just wanted to share that with you today. Hopefully you find that helpful. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Well, hey there. Thanks for tuning into the Property Profits Podcast. If you like this episode, that's great. Please go ahead and subscribe on iTunes. Give us a good review. That'd be awesome. I appreciate that. And if you're looking to attract investors and raise capital for your deals, then I'm going to invite you to get a complimentary copy of my newest book, right back there. There it is. The Money Partner Formula. You can get a PDF version at investorattractionbook.com. Again, investorattractionbook.com. Take care.